Number 16, the table shows the diagonal lengths of TV screens at a store. Which TV screen has the smallest diagonal length in feet? Let's take these, and while we're looking at a lot of rational numbers and fractions, so let's try to get them all in the same terms. So why don't we just take a second and change all of these values of W, X, Y, and Z into decimals. Let's go one at a time. So we have 12 and 25 hundredths, the square root of 12 and 25 hundredths. We punch that in our calculator, we get 3.5. 2 and 1/6, so that's going to be a mixed number, which it's a rational number, but we're going to call it 2.16. And 37 over the square root of 144. The square root of 144 is 12, so 37 divided by 12 should give us a decimal of 3 and 8 hundredths. And finally, 8/3 in improper fraction will be 2 and 67 hundredths if we round that off. So we're looking for which has the smallest length. Now that we have them in decimals, it's pretty easy to see this. We know we're going to be able to eliminate 3.5 and 3 and 8 hundredths, and 2 and 16 hundredths is smaller than 2 and 67 hundredths. So which TV screen has the smallest diagonal length in feet? B, X.